Welcome to S3 Cloud Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of conversational AI to compare two powerful tools, ChatGPT and Perplexity AI. Both are incredible, but each serves unique purposes. Let's find out which one fits your needs. First, a quick introduction. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is designed for natural, human-like conversations. It's widely used for education, coding help, and content creation. On the other hand, Perplexity AI is a hybrid of a search engine and chatbot, aimed at delivering factual, real-time answers. ChatGPT is perfect for brainstorming ideas, creative writing, and learning new skills. It's designed to maintain meaningful and contextually relevant conversations. Meanwhile, Perplexity AI is built for factual accuracy, sourcing up-to-date information, and prioritizing clarity over engagement. Under the hood, ChatGPT uses GPT for architecture, focusing on human-like text generation. It's fine-tuned using reinforcement learning for better responses. Perplexity AI combines GPT with a search engine backend, fetching real-time data and directly citing its sources for transparency. When it comes to features, ChatGPT shines in creative writing, storytelling, and debugging code. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, excels at providing reliable references for academic queries and delivering concise answers to fact-based questions. ChatGPT's strengths lie in its adaptability, humor, and deep contextual understanding. Perplexity AI focuses on real-time accuracy, providing simplified, reliable answers with credible citations. No tool is perfect. ChatGPT can sometimes generate inaccurate but convincing answers and lacks real-time updates. Perplexity AI, while accurate, depends on the quality of its sources and isn't as engaging for creative or nuanced conversations. ChatGPT is ideal for writing blogs, practicing languages, and drafting business content. Perplexity AI is better suited for academic research, generating summaries, and fact-checking real-time events. ChatGPT operates on a large pre-2023 dataset, producing long-form text with nuanced understanding. Perplexity AI sources real-time internet data, ensuring concise, reference-backed answers. So, which should you choose? ChatGPT is perfect for creativity, coding help, and conversations, while Perplexity AI is your go-to for accurate, real-time information. They complement each other and can be used together for a balanced workflow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to S3 Cloud Hub. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you prefer. See you in the next video.